neighborhood. Lesson 5. The topic of today's lesson is buildings above the clouds. Let's start our lesson. Прежде чем приступить к тексту, давайте рассмотрим с вами новые слова. Повторяем за мной и переводы все записываем. Apartment, apartment, квартира. Beam, beam, балка, балансир. Cathedral, cathedral, собор. Develop, develop, разработать. Elevator, elevator, лифт. Impressive, impressive, впечатляющий. Living space, living space, жилая площадь. Mast, mast, матча. Sailor, sailor, моряк. Skyline, skyline, линия горизонта. Steel, steel, сталь. Story, story, этаж.
Exercise 2, page 92.
Buildings above the clouds. Big buildings are nothing new. The ancient Egyptians built the pyramids. The Italians built tall towers in the Middle Ages. The French built huge cathedrals. However, it was difficult to build very tall buildings because the bricks were not strong enough. Then in 1852, Elisha Otis invented the elevator, and in the 1880s, engineers developed a new building technique using steel. It was now possible to build tall buildings with strong steel without worrying how to get to the top. In big cities such as Chicago and New York that needed living space for families and offices for businesses, skyscrapers were the perfect solution. Some very brave men worked on these buildings as it was a dangerous job. Imagine walking along narrow beams hundreds of feet above the ground. For this reason, Mohawk Indians from Canada and ex-sailors did most of the work as they were not scared of heights. In fact, the word skyscraper comes from the name sailors gave to the tallest mast on a ship. In 1885, the world's first skyscraper, a 10-story office building, opened in Chicago. Between 1930 and 1931, the Empire State Building grew almost one floor higher every day. The 3,400 men who worked on it finished it in 14 months. These days, skyscrapers decorate every city skyline, and each year taller and taller buildings appear all over the world. At present, the world's tallest building is the Burj Khalifa in the United Arab Emirates. With over 1,200 stores, this building is a city in itself. Astana, the capital of Kazakhstan, also has its share of skyscrapers. The triumph of Astana is one of the most impressive. It was finished in 2006, and it has 39 floors with shops, offices, apartments, and a hotel. Who knows what's next? The sky is the limit.
Окей. Ребята, мы с вами прочитали текст. Данный текст переводите сами. Также выполняете следующее задание.
Exercise
Read the text again and answer the questions. Еще раз прочитайте данный текст и отвечайте на вопросы. Ответы на вопросы пишем полностью в тетрадях. Следующее упражнение. Так, часть B этого же упражнения. Say or write 3 things that impress you from the text. What is the author's purpose? Говорите или напишите 3 вещи, которые впечатлили вас из текста. Какая цель автора? Fill in. Living, skyscraper, steel, brick, elevators, skyline. Этими словами, пожалуйста, дополните следующее предложение в четвертом упражнении и напишите данное предложение полностью. Это и есть домашнее задание, третье, четвертое упражнение. The lesson is over. Have a nice day. Goodbye.